it looks like damaged. The major damage is right here, this fender. I'm all set, but I'll just order a new one. The hood, also not gonna bother fixing, gonna order a new hood. The front end seems to be okay. Headlight's not broken. Grill is a little bit off, but I think it's fixable. I don't think it's broken. The headlight's okay. Bumper's also fine. I don't think I'll be getting a new bumper. But yeah. And then right here is also a pretty big hit. I'm gonna see if I'll be able to fix that. But I'll just order a new one if I can't. Looking at the back of the car, you can see this is pretty bad. I'm gonna see if my frame guy is gonna be able to pull that out. If he won't, then I'll just order a new bed, I guess. I don't really have a choice. Broken. That right here also. It's not too bad. You might be able to fix this, but it ain't gonna bother me. Just order a new one. And then when you move along this side, it's bent right here. This is easy fix. Put a hammer to it, come right out. Scratched up a little, but that's just buffable. This side's kind of screwed up right here. It's bad. I think I'm just gonna buy a new door. It's pretty bad. Front door I think I might save. Maybe 9. Looks like a crease here. I think the set, you need both mirrors. Windshield's cracked. The roof is also cracked, which kind of sucks. But I'm gonna have to live with that. But yeah, other than that, it's a pretty clean truck. Got it for a really good deal. Won't regret it. I know there's a lot of damage on it, but I think it's worth it. It's run and drive. Starts right up. Starts right up. Look at that, 27,000 miles. Everything works. Not even a check engine light. The only light is airbag, and that's it, literally. Tire pressure, but that's like nothing. Fix. Really, really good deal. Clean. Really clean. So guys, I'm sorry I wasn't able to record a lot of the footage of it getting painted, but it's already back from paint. It's basically already all done from the exterior. That's what the interior looks right now. Got the seatbelts rebuilt by a Safe 3 store. I'm gonna have to pop them in, put the side curtains in, and yeah, soon it's gonna be all together. Very soon. So I managed to put both seatbelts in on both sides. It's fairly simple process, and I I didn't record it because it was one of those recordings that was kind of bad, and yeah, I didn't want to show you guys. But on this side, I already popped in the trim piece. Looks OEM. Need to pop in the ceiling next. Pop in that side, door or whatever it's called, and this. Yeah, it's all taken apart still. And this mud flap, painter took it off. I'll have to put it on. But other than that, yeah, it's almost done. Just a couple more pieces and it'll be done and on the road. Have it. Finish this whole side. Bolted this on. It should be good. Looks clean. So there you guys have it. Basically, this build is done. Front end is complete. Everything's painted. I finished the interior. Looks good doing the roof. Side pillars, everything good. Side pillars, everything. It looks pretty good. I mean, it's ripped still up there. I didn't even bother to sew that up. I don't really care. Doesn't matter to me. But yeah, the roof is in. Looks clean. And the last thing to do will be to slap the moldings onto the doors. And yeah, it'll be done. 100% done. It's a little dirty. I'll give it a wash too. But other than that, yeah, looks pretty good.